Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Candy Crush Soda Saga application on your mobile device. So let's jump right into the video. First, open up your Candy Crush Saga app and from this main interface, tap on the gear button at the bottom left. Now, tap on the human icon on the left-hand corner. Here in the account settings page, you can tap on the Logout button at the bottom, right under change your password. Make sure that you want to log out of your account. Simply go ahead and tap on log out and you'll be able to log out of your Candy Crush Soda Saga account. You'll now be redirected to the main home page from where you can easily play the game without logging in or log into your existing account if you ever want to get back to the account in the future. That is how you can easily log out of Candy Crush Soda Saga. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Along with it, also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.